guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? How are you? Today's video, I just literally decided to pick up my camera and start filming. I want to do like a little get ready with me, catch up on our life. While I do my makeup, I need to shower, I'm gonna do my hair, and just kind of chat to you guys about everything. And I miss vlogging. We were vlogging for so many months when we were traveling, and some of you guys have been telling me you missed the vlog. So this isn't necessarily a vlog, but it's gonna be a lot more chit-chatty. It is like 1 p.m. when I'm starting this. This morning I got up and I went to like a reformer Pilates class at like 7:30 a.m. Like I don't even know who I am these days. Look at my really cute little grip socks that I got the other day. Aren't these so cute? And these slippers too. I had these linked on my like to know. They were $5 from Five Below. So we're just gonna hop right in. I'm literally just staring at this view right now of the ocean. Our brand new apartment, we can literally see the ocean from it. And I feel so blessed by God literally to have this amazing apartment. But if you can see, it's sort of empty. Basically empty. Let me show you something really fast because this is not like the apartment tour. Let me show you my bedroom. Oh my gosh, and my pile of clothes. Basically, we sent a container from England so many months ago, like 5 months ago, because we moved from England to Southern California. If you've been following along, you know that. And the container is supposed to arrive potentially next week, but it's taking a long time, and we're already in our apartment, but we don't really have any furniture. So that's fun, but I do have all my hair stuff, my makeup, products, because I traveled with that. Like I sent that in suitcases, not in the cubes. So I'm gonna shower right now. I thought I would show you the shampoo and conditioner I'm using today. I'm using the Day, the new one, the Monsoon Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I was using the original one by Day while I was traveling the entire time. And I just refilled them, but I wanted to try their new launch, especially because I feel like in the winter, my hair is just drier in general. I'm just struggling. So the moisture one is great. And then I'm also going to use the Day Monsoon Moisture Hair Mask. I'm going to mix it in with my conditioner. By the way, these 3 products you can get from Sephora or Day. They're going to be linked on my Like to Know. And then this is my body wash. This is literally from Target, which I've also linked. Method Body Wash. The coconut rice milk. It's so good. And I use like a little loofah. If you hear me keep mentioning Like to Know, basically Like to Know is an app that you can download and you can follow me. And I link my outfits, my hair products, like accessories, home things. Like I link everything on there. So I will link them on there for you guys. And if you follow me, you can see like my list of all my favorite products and stuff. But yeah, that's basically all. I'm admiring my shelves I installed the other day with Will. Aren't they so freaking cute? I got these from Amazon, these shelves. They're linked on my Amazon too. I think I want to do like an entire, hello, that's me. I think I want to do an entire like how I organize my hair care video. So I think that's going to come soon, maybe after this one, showing you that because you know I have a lot. So anyways, I'm going to shower and then we'll continue catching up on life. Alexa, play Mistletoe by Justin Bieber.
Mistletoe by Justin Bieber through Spotify.
I'm going to begin moisturizing my face, moisturizing cream. There is nothing better than hair wash day, but hair wash day with Christmas music. I literally put my Alexa in my bathroom for while I'm getting ready and I just blast Christmas music. And if you're over there thinking it's too early to be celebrating Christmas, well, my opinion is that Thanksgiving is the pregame to Christmas. Like, we have Thanksgiving, which we love. Pumpkin vanilla chai on my body. We have Thanksgiving, which don't get me wrong, I like spending time with my family and things like that. But we do Thanksgiving because we love Christmas, and it's like the official kickstart of everything. So I feel like this is part of the pregame, you know what I mean? I'm a Christmas girl through and through. I've loved Christmas since before I could remember, and I actually kind of remember as I got older losing the spark for a while, feeling like I aged and I loved it still, but it made me feel sad. Christmas, that's like real deep. But anyone else feel that way? Anyone else like lose the spark at some point for Christmas? But now as an adult, it's like back when you're like in your own apartment and in your own home. e.l.f. brow lift, by the way, I've seriously been amazed at how good this stuff is. So like before I continue on with my face, I start with this take a little spoolie and I begin putting it through my eyebrows. Again, I'm gonna link everything for you guys. It's literally drugstore, $6. But kind of what I was talking about earlier, we've been moving and in the process of moving and trying to get settled in our new apartment. And literally when we started looking for apartments in LA, we dealt with so many like sketchy companies and people that were just so shady, like management companies. This is one apartment that we loved, that we really thought we were going to get because it's like literally what they told us. And the day we thought we would get it, they told us someone else got it, and it was just crazy. And I think that's how a lot of it is in somewhere like Southern California, especially Los Angeles. Where we've ended up now, the people who like run it are like the nicest, most down-to-earth people. Like, thank you Lord, because that was stressful. But now that we're in this incredible apartment, all I want to do is like nest. I don't know if anyone else is like this in their bedrooms, dorms, homes, wherever you're living. Like, I was like this as a child, even growing up. Like, all I wanted to do was make my space cozy and make it mine. By the way, I'm putting on e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and sunscreen. But I just want to make it mine and decorate for Christmas. Literally, like, first world problems, it's fine. I will get through. But it's crazy because we sent off our massive container from England. I think I said at the beginning of the video, almost 5 months ago. And then of course it got a little bit delayed when it came into LA because we're just backed up. And they finally said that it should be delivered next week. Praise the Lord. But yeah, I'm just really, really excited to get to make the space my own, and I feel like I find a lot of joy in like interior decorating and doing all that. And I think the other thing I find a lot of joy in is making content and doing hair videos and makeup videos, all sorts of stuff for you guys. So I think doing like content is like my job now, and I still enjoy it, but I think getting to decorate my home is like the thing that's not my job, but I still also get to enjoy it. Like, it's like my special like little like stress relief thing. So I think like not really getting to do that is driving me crazy, but I've done it in little ways, like organizing the bathroom and everything, so we're making do. I've worked between these two foundations, the Milani Conceal and Perfect, again, drugstore, and then the L'Oreal Nude Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Serum. Both are amazing. I always use my hands to rub it in at first, and then I'll just take a big fluffy brush and kind of make sure it's super blended in. I just feel like you don't have to spend a lot of money for your makeup to look good. I know, like, I spend a lot of money on my hair care and other things, and I'm sure if I went and bought all my makeup from Sephora, I would love it, but I love giving you guys affordable options too, and so yeah, this makeup look has been my absolute go-to. I'd love to know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. If you commented down below and tell me, I would love to know. We are hoping to go see my sister. I think that is our plan, going to see my sister and her husband and kids. They live in Arizona, so not too far from us. And my sister had her second child back in September, like right when we started traveling. And so I finally got to meet him a few weeks ago. And he's the freaking cutest thing I've ever seen. There's nothing like your siblings having children. It's the wildest, craziest thing. Story, before we moved in, by the way, that was the Maybelline Fit Me. I think I said, and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Beautiful Bronze. Before we moved into our apartment, we wanted to go see my sister and meet our new nephew. And so we have this old car that we used when we used to live here, and we were like, okay, we're gonna take this to Arizona. It's like a 6-hour drive. You know, we'd gotten it like the oil change, gotten it checked out, everything was good. Anyways, it was fine on the way there, and then on the way back, it like stopped accelerating. And it was when we were going up like hill areas, like Palm Springs is pretty hilly, and other parts, where it just stopped accelerating. And so we literally would like pull off the road. This happened twice. And we would turn it off, and I was like literally praying over our car, and then we would just go again. It's not that it like wouldn't accelerate at all. The issue was it was accelerating to about like 60 miles per hour, and then it would completely stop accelerating past that, and then eventually it kind of like did start accelerating again. It was very confusing, but we took it in and they said there's like an issue with the transmission. So long story short, we're trying to figure out if we buy like a new car or if we lease one or what we do. It's kind of like an expense we didn't really want to be dealing with right now since we just moved. So prayers for the car. Not sure what we're gonna do, but we definitely can't drive it long distances. We kind of just do it around town and stuff, but we were going to drive out to my sister's again for Thanksgiving, and I'm like, we need to fly, but we don't really want to fly, so I think we might rent a car that you can take out of the state. Anyway, it's just been crazy. The next thing I've been trying to really focus on, sorry, I took off my sweater vest because it was way too freaking hot. Literally SoCal vibes. This would not be happening if I was in England. But the other like update that has been going on, I keep interrupting my update, but this is the Revolution Bronze Duo, and I put a little blush on from Revlon Mauveless, but is my husband Will and I, some of you guys know him here on the channel from when we were vlogging, since moving back are like really trying to be healthy and take care of our bodies. When we were traveling and before then, even like moving, and in the last like months of just pure life chaos, we feel like the first things to go sometimes is like exercising, eating really intentionally, meal planning, which makes sense because kind of other things are a bigger priority, and that's not a bad thing. It's just how life is. But for us, we want to like feel really good, and I think we were noticing like we weren't getting energy from our food and stuff. So we saw a nutritionist at my doctor's office where I go, and she helped tell us the types of food we should be eating for our blood type, and we're actually both the same blood type. And so that makes it super easy. So we've not been eating keto by any means, but keto-ish. Our bodies love when we're eating lower carb and higher fat and higher protein. So that's been like a fun adjustment. And at first it can feel really overwhelming, but we've been feeling so much better. And then the other thing was we wanted to start working out more because we both have gone through seasons of working out a lot, especially my husband. He used to work out a lot, but when we were so busy, and I think sometimes living somewhere so cold like we did in England made us super unmotivated. So we've both been working out, doing our own routines. I've been doing reformer yoga for the first time and absolutely loving it. It's very, very hard, but it's been so good. So that is one thing that's been super nice to start, and I feel like after the new year there's all this like pressure to like revamp your entire lifestyle, which isn't always helpful. So I feel like it's nice because I'm being intentional now before the holidays, around the holidays, still gonna, you know, eat whatever I want, enjoy whatever I want around the holidays or when I'm out with friends. It's all about balance, but kind of getting to like be on top of it when no one's telling you is really nice, because I feel like my personality, I like to do things when I want to do things, just being perfectly honest. And so I feel like even this, it's like taking the power back, taking ownership and being like, no, I'm gonna be intentional about my health, caring for my body. It's also ultimately caring for my Lyme's disease, which I have too. So that's been really fun. The container shipment saga continues. I'm literally in the middle of doing my mascara, and my husband just gets a call from the company that's delivering our massive container with all of our life stuff in it. Long story short, it's going to be delayed more because of this like one protocol they need to do, and it's just very frustrating because basically they have to come check where they're delivering it to before they deliver, and they won't check an area and deliver in the same day. So they'll come to your address where they will deliver, look at the space, I guess, that they will, you know, be parking. And then days later, they'll actually deliver it. And they were hoping they could do it on the same day, but like the team basically was like, no, that's not how it goes. So rip that. I kind of feel like crying. I know it sounds really dramatic, but it's just annoying when you have expectations, but whatever. It is what it is, and at this point, I guess it's a few extra days, although I feel very annoyed right now, but that's life with moving. Other news, sorry, the lighting's a little bit dark, hold on. This mascara is literally the best. It's literally the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Oh, it makes my lashes so long. Love. Makeup is done, and I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm actually going to Dyson Airwrap it. So I'm filming it for TikTok because So many of the people over on TikTok struggle with Dyson Airwrap, so I'm gonna give them some more in-depth of a tutorial. But what I'm gonna do today, I actually have posted a tutorial for it before this video, so I'm gonna link that down below if you would like a solid, in-depth, updated Dyson Airwrap video using the Dyson Airwrap Special Edition. Oh my gosh, my hair just got stuck on my right. Never happened to anyone else. I just pulled out some hair. Let me take that off. It's because I got my ring fused together. My hair gets stuck in it sometimes. Anyways, I've posted like a really in-depth video for it, so I'm just gonna do a quick breakdown really quickly for you about what I do, but this isn't gonna be the in-depth video. We'll pull out the rollers and everything at the end together in this video just because it's super satisfying and who doesn't like seeing that. But when it comes to product prep, there's quite a few that I like, and I used a few more in the last video, but to even simplify it even more, my product pick for making my Airwrap last for my hair would be on wet hair using the Elevate Mousse. I love this. I've been using it for months. Have code Annabelle15, 15% off. Unite products. Yeah, the Unite Elevate Mousse. It's literally the best. Then heat protectant. I love the Unite heat protectant. This one's open and out, so I'm using this one. This is the Bumble & Bumble Heat Shield. I'll link this one for you guys. It's great, it's small, I've been traveling around with it. And the last product I would use, if again, we're really trying to simplify it down just a few products, is the Day Hibiscus Wave Spray, and it gives my hair some grit, some texture. If that you feel like the wave spray wouldn't be enough, you could always go in with what I used to use a lot, which was a sea salt spray. This one's the Bumble & Bumble Surf Spray, which is also great, but it is like it's salt spray versus like a wave spray, so it's a bit stronger, but I just prep my hair with that and then Airwrap and put my hair in rollers. I didn't always used to do rollers because I was like, oh, it doesn't really do anything, or I think I wasn't using good rollers, so they pull whenever I took them out, but I got good rollers, which I've linked for you, but literally look how cute my little container of rollers is. But that's all I do, put in rollers, let them sit, and then yeah, that's what I do for my hair. I've been loving the Airwrap. It makes my hair so healthy. It's so expensive, I 100% get that, but one thing I do notice is the health of my hair when I use it, so that's great. Take these out on camera with you guys because why not? I'm filming it for TikTok, so I'm gonna be looking this way, but I thought you guys might like seeing this like chit-chatty little video. They've been in, not gonna lie, for a very long time because I've been running around doing errands, not errands outside the house, in the house errands, you get me? Okay. I'm gonna start from the bottom. Guys, this is the finished hair look, the makeup, getting ready with me. It turned out so good. This is why I love the freaking Dyson Airwrap. It's so voluminous, so beautiful. But I hope you guys just like enjoyed this really chill chit chat, get ready with me. I appreciate you guys, appreciate your subscribing. I appreciate all of you who watch my videos. You guys have made my dreams come true. I'm just gonna go get ready for the evening because as in like I need to get dressed and put all of my hair stuff away because we're gonna see some friends tonight. But I love y'all. See you in my next video, and let me know down in the comments below what types of videos you want to see from me, and I'll catch up with you soon. Bye.